What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Sanibona nithumelanga bantu balapha kwa-YouTube nakwindawo ngendawo wherever you are watching. Xolo kancinci. Okay. Asi nomatyala igama ongenalo nelinye ityala ngoba amatyala mntu awabhatala kade kudala. And welcome to the second episode of Lyric Breakdown with Ematyaleni. Yeah, nigga. Okay, namhlanje we are doing the second episode of Lyric Breakdown. We're just having fun. Sangokola yabo. Ndinibalisela ngengoma yam uba how did it come about and ii-bars ezikhoyo phaa kulaa ngoma zithetha ntoni. Let's get to it. Episode 2, the song we're doing namhlanje, Trap Spanish. Okokuqala, how the name came about. Trap Spanish, Joe. When you're listening to the song, you can hear ukuthi there's a little bit of Spanish intro corner. That is how I found the beat. I'm not gonna lie. But I liked the and then that's where the Spanish came from. And then it trap. Obviously, it's a trap song. It's a trap. We're having fun. So I had to know what. It's ala Trap Spanish. She on. And then ingoma, let's go to the lyrics manje. First line, first bar, I took my time to understand the craft yam. Go nami ndawo ndifuna naseKapa. Iyazixela. Took my time. Ndabona umculo ndiqale back in primary. Ndabona, and then I was spanning the craft yam because I was never happy with, I was never happy with the music that I was making at the time for me to put it out. Ndade yaba yile nto ndiyifunayo, yabo. Ngoku nami ndawo ndifuna naseKapa. Obviously, when you're making music, you're gonna travel, uzobona indawo, ndiyafuna ngokueKapa jo, bayantatsho gavi. Cap ndiyadlala, but yeah. naseKapa, beniseJozi ndishuta ii-visuals. Actually, kule line been manifesta because le ngoma I recorded the song ngisekhaya back at home eBhayi, nabo. So at the time being manifesta yabo. But you know what? I want to shoot visuals eJozi and I know ukuthi umlomo uyadala, yabo. And what you say on your song ingaphili unaphakade, yabo. And nangoku i-visualizer yale ngoma iTrap Spanish was shot in Jozi in Braham. So I manifested and then it came alive. Now the visualizer is shot in Gauteng and so they manifesta Payana, so nothing much. Now should I visuals Dala benfuna lapha. They've been wanting me. I'm here now, dog. Let's work. Yabo. Ibhayi kwipalm yam bethi sindlwabi. Palm. So ibhayi nalapha. Tanda, simply, I'm just trolling, dog, yabo. By upam yam bethi sindlwabi. Almost said come up, they better ngoyabo. Almost said gwam ndabhuda ngoqubhayiza. So I almost said come up. There was a time, 2024, I think, Serumini Katanisto recording a bunch of songs, having in-night sessions, dog. I think we did an EP in one night, yabo. So if the music we made at the time came out, bengasoze bendihleli apha ngoku the recorder le video would be somewhere in Dubai, yabo. But kwenzekile okwenzekayo never came out. But yeah, almost said kwam ndabhuda ngoqubhayiza. Yonke la way, obviously, if the music came out, it was gonna blow up, and then blowing up means getting guap, young ton, yabo. Yeah. So Ndandilusan, I was a kid, and when we were kids at the time, dog, that was 2024, now it's 2026. Obviously, mindset is in a different, yabo. Asacinga ngokufanayo. So yeah, we were kids at the time. Maybe if it was reversed, then ingqondo esinazo ngoku zingqondo besinazo at the time, whatever that was supposed to happen bizokwenzeka, yabo. Yeah. Ewe ndandiyintwana but ngoku ndimdala ndinazo neengcinga zokwakha ekhaya, yabo. I was a kid but now I'm old. I'm even thinking of building a car, yabo. Mama bengathiwe netraka. Thina if ukhulele elokishini, I don't know about ezinye province, but e-Eastern Cape bekhe kwaduma into yoba like yabo itraka that deliver like kunjani maybe zonka or inyama or whatever, utshwala, drinks. Yabo ezaa truck eziya bekhe kwaduma into ebhale uba ziyarojwa kakhulu, yabo. So xa ekusela truck erojiwe ufumaniseka uba masithi itraka yesonka, ufumaniseka uba every household bro apha e-ereni inesonka. Like now kids are able to like feast, bayatya abantwana, kids are good, like bone, even though esonga sisuke kwinto wrong, Joe. Like bone, like robbery is not a good thing, but like kids are now able to eat. So xa ndisithi igama imali bengathiwe netraka, ndimnike imali eninzi that can sustain and take care of numbers of people, but it's just for her, umama. Thank you. Mama bengathiwe netraka on a random Tuesday ndimkhuphe se-outside, bone nje jo on a random Tuesday ndimqashe uba abona uzala la parada, let's get class, put on your nice dress. Yeah, mama ndimkhuphe se-outside ndisifunele i-nice life. I had a chat noGafa futhi ndithanda amankazana. Yeah, you know, I had a chat noGafa. One time he was on a TikTok live, Makasa speaking, and then he said that line. I was like, nigga, I'm gonna say this on a song. Nangoku nchilo. Yeah, I don't even think usandikhumbula umjita, but silapha ngoku, yabo. Motion iningi bayafuna nenze njani. Push ishishini bafuna abantwana, but bayazela thing nomtsalana, yabo. I'm focused on the grind, man. Know what I'm saying? Amajita ase-America. Yeah, focus on the grind, but obviously inyantombazane, yeah, I don't know, man. Yeah, so bayazela thing nomtsalana ofuna le or makatye urhakayo. Now I don't know if ezinye intlanga zawusebenzisa, I don't know, okanye mhlawumbi zawusebenzisa but ziwubiza enye into irhakayo yinto yenza it's a home remedy that you use to cleanse your stomach, yabo. Like xa usela uyahambisa kakhulu, go to the toilet, yabona, isisu sakho sibe clean. So if ufuna i-ora yam, mna ndikhule ngorhakayo, so if ufuna i-ora yam funeka usele urhakayo kakhulu, ususe into ezimdaka ezi zilapha esuswini, and then uzoba nayo le ora nayo. Thank you. Makatye urhakayo. I'm the best in my time andizoyithetha kayi-5. I'm the best of my time, dog. I won't say it 5 times. Yes, clear. I'm in my time andizoyithetha kayi-5. If I drop an album then ikuvalwa ikhanda. You remember laa nto yenzeka ku-COVID? Once mna ndadrop i-album, ikhantri izovalwa, uzobona. Album coming soon. So ivala ikhantri ngaloo mini. Kuzobakho iholiday. Kuthiwa lena yinomatyala day. Ivalwa ikhantri. Thank you. If I drop an album then ikuvala. If you see me show up, yaze kufakwe imali. If you see me at a place, I'm paid to be there, nigga. Iyazixela, bro, bona. Trust me. If awuthethi ngemali then incoka siyibambe. No money, no. If it's not a money talk, then there's no talk. No money talk, no talk. Thank you. If uthetha ngemali then incoka siyibambe. If uthetha ngothando, mna ndithanda umamam, ndimdala kakhulu, bendidlala uPopeye. Iyazixela. Speaking about love, nigga, I love my mom, bro. Yabo. Phelela apho. Dala for ndidlala uPopeye. Then ithi moving like the English on the right. Yazi ndiyazisola uba kutheni ezi notes ingazibhalanga phantsi, because now funeka ndibe ndizama undiqaya ngoku. Ndiyazisola uba kutheni ingazibhalanga phantsi. Moving like the English on a random Tuesday ngidlalela i-tennis. English is white people are moving like yini le ndawo e-UK. I think UK, yeah, they call white people the English. Yeah, so I'm moving like the English on a random Tuesday. Ndidlalela tennis. You know, white people, dog, they don't have anything to do. Umuntu adlalela tennis. Millionaire. Xa-ke kuba lo muntu uyenza njani imali? Tuesday randomly nje udlala tennis. Yabo, so ndiyamanifesta nangoku because I don't even know how to play tennis, but on a random Tuesday ndidlalela tennis. Banawari wena bamba loo nto. I'm moving like I got it. Nekutyhala isubu ukuze uThixo akubusise, yabo. So I read somewhere ukuthi uThixo unceda ozincedayo. Thina kwaXhosa sisho uThixo unceda ozincedayo. So you need to do something for God to bless you, yabo. Angeke uze uhlale uthi no, what is meant for me will come to me. Ewe vele what is meant for you will come to you, but if ukhawulelana uThixo ufuna ukhawulelane naye. So that's what I mean. I'm moving like I got it, and then now uzobomba phole out ihlobo move ngalo move njengomuntu seyibillionaire mandimnike manje izbillions, yabo. Yeah, so I'm moving like I got it. Nekutyhala isubu ukuze uThixo akubusise, yabo. Nangoku ndibusisekile uthando ndilibona oko, ndivuyela ubona ingomso, ndibulela nje loo nto. Yabo, I'm grateful to wake up ekuseni ngithandaza every morning. Thank you. Unvusa namhlanje, and then you cry. Yebo. Ladies and gentlemen, that was the lyric breakdown of Trap Spanish. The song is out right now. Tembasteta, Idlabantu, the visualizers, shot in Braamfontein, Johannesburg. Dabulela kuwo wonke umuntu who made that project come to life, who made it possible. The videographer, the producers, everyone, ngiyabonga kakhulu. Then please go stream the music. More music coming. Ziyakhala nje. EPS, andifuna ube ngichaza into ezininzi. Themba umthembu.
I had a channel guy for the entire man gasan. Washing in the bath man is a jan. Pushi number funa bandwan. Baba yazela thingy no sala. Ofunale or magaje ukaka. I'm the best in my time, I'm going to teta I fight. If I job in a bomb, then it follow it come. If you see me show up, as if I were man. If I'm chatting a man, then it know I see bam. If you teta go tell man, tell no mama. Gala, could have been fellow go back.